Hi.
Hi.
You know, it'd be really funny if I fell off.
Oh my god, and you whacked your head off that.
No, no.
Yeah, that would. That really would, though. What if I whacked you over the face with my dick?
Now that would be funny.
Now, that would be funny.
Let's see.
Oh, Gangnam Style. Kissing face.
It's not my
Style.
My name's Farmer Ashley.
I ride my tractor to school.
Okay, so I got a penis on Snapchat, and I don't know who it is.
The penis on Kick one time. I was like,
oh yeah, I got that too. This kid asked me to come cuddle, and I was like, and
oh
he was
no.
like, but it's okay, I just want a penis. So I was just like,
well, here, I'll read you the conversation. They ran. I don't even know who it was. Okay. This guy's like fucking sexy, and I don't respond. He's like, you made my big dick hard, and Jamie responded. She's like, oh, you make my dick hard too, and then he sent me a picture of his wiener. He's like, you like my big dick, and she's like, I'm a lesbian. And he's like, I still want to fuck you.
Very ugly. That's a very ugly wiener.
It is though. It's really gross. It's like someone just spread lotion on it. I don't know.
Okay, Rebecca. It just was not a good.
Oh, I never took my medicine.
Wow.
You are touching my butt right. Well,
yeah, actually, I was.
yeah, you are.
You get your shorts on your shorty, you slut.
Your vagina flaps are hanging out. Shorts are so short that your vagina flaps are hanging out.
That's gross.
I like those fat people who look like their fat is literally a wiener. Like those, you know what I'm talking about?
Just stop. That is the most disturbing thing ever.
Thick.
I wonder if fat people have to look at their fat to go pee.
Oh no. Your hands right
Oh my god.
I know. My hand, my.
Not
Picture frame.
Alpha lesbian. What is your face for?
Oh no. Amos texted me. He's like, my grandma keeps telling me my clothes won't fit me next year, and in 2 years I'll weigh more than 200 pounds. But earlier he messaged me, and I didn't realize who it was at first because I don't have his number saved to my phone. He's like, my children have them. I was like, okay, are you ready? He's like, yes ma'am, I am. My willy is long and my hormones are prepared. His hormones. Not mine. His willy is long and his hormones are prepared.
Oh my god, last night I did a lot. And I didn't even
Remember
know
when I helped you so hard you started drooling? And then the chocolate on the bed is sorry I couldn't make it.
I think that was from our cheesecake.
It was!
Factory.
Even though we weren't allowed to have cheesecake. Can we have some cheesecake? No cheesecake for you!